Hey, hope you're doing really well. Hey to all my LinkedIn buddies and contacts. If you are selling on Amazon, guys, we are at a turning point, right? This is what you're seeing pretty much everywhere, for lease signs, for sales signs. It is dismal. If you are a business owner, it is very dismal. It is a very dismal outlook. And something that you have to do, and this is something we're talking about a lot, is pivoting, right? And what that basically means is whatever you're doing right now, if you're suffering from sales, if you're worried about job retention, if you're worried about particularly people potentially firing you, or if you're worried about where you'll be in the next 6 months, then you have to do something now. You've got to start thinking about what are my other opportunities? What are some things that I can do right now that will give me more options in 6 months? And one such thing is starting a business. Now, there's many different businesses to start. I know, I've started many different businesses in the past before, but you've got to start thinking, how can I be more prepared in 6 months? The last thing you want to be doing is be stuck up, creek without a paddle, right? And there's a lot of people in March who unfortunately got made redundant who had, or at least thought they had, job security. So starting something small, even 30 minutes a day, finding a product, finding a niche, and selling on Amazon is actually it's not a hard process. I mean, it's not super easy, otherwise everyone would do it, right? You still got to find products, you still got to find a few good quality supplies, but then the actual listing on Amazon, once it's listed on Amazon, when orders come in, it essentially just goes immediately, it gets sent directly from the Amazon warehouse to your customer. So just thought I'll share some pointers today, guys. If you're interested, check us out. Check out our website below. It should be below this video. I would love to have a chat with you. I'd love to connect with you personally and maybe help you out with a few of those options, all right? Talk soon. Bye for now.